Let's take a look at the timeline and how that can help you build some really beautiful slides during your movie. This is your timeline down here. The default for every slide is 10 seconds. The numbers on the timeline represents the seconds that you have available. You can add seconds. The maximum you can add per slide is 20, and you can also take them away by using the plus and minus buttons on the side. I've already got a character on my timeline, and if I click on him down here, it shows the duration bar for that object. I can have my object come in 2 seconds into my slide, or I can have him there 1 second or half a second in. And then I can also change how long I want him to stay on the slide. If I add another object, let's say like a couple of flowers, you'll see that they're popping up down here just below my timeline. And I'm going to move them about on my slide where I want them to go. And then I can control when they're popping up. And they're going to, down here, they're going to be in the order in which they're going to pop up throughout the slide. So this first one's coming in at 2.5 seconds. Let's move that to 3. And the next one's going to be 3.5. And then let's move that one to 4. So they're all just half a second. And then let's see what that's going to look like. I'm going to take the playhead, this little red triangle, bring it right back to the very beginning of that slide, and let's play it and see how that looks. Perfect. All right. I'm also going to add some text features in here. Drop and drag, because I can also time when I want this text to pop up. And I can edit it here how I want it to go. I want the letters to appear like that. And the duration bar for my text is saying that it's not showing up until 5.5 seconds, and I want it to show up a little bit sooner than that. Now you'll notice that in the duration bar, it's got this little menu that's going to pop up, and it's how it's going to arrive in my slide. The beginning of the duration bar for the flower, it's going to pop right up. I want them coming right up into it. So I'm going to change that for each one of them because I want them coming in the same way. Just like that. And again, let's drag the playhead back and see what we've done. So that's how you can use the timeline down at the bottom to help you create some better slides.